It's me, Poppy! Welcome back to Spartan Kids! Today we will draw a car. So, let's draw a car and make it very interesting. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time! How to draw a car. Step 1. Start by drawing a small circle with a medium-length line coming out of it. Step 2. Draw another circle to connect the line that you already drew. Step 3. In the center of the circles, you will create 2 smaller circles. You're also going to draw a line on the left and right side of each wheel as shown. Step 4. Now, you're going to simply trace around the wheel, first wheel, along the black line, over the next wheel. Step 5. You're going to add a little more detail to the car by closing in the lines with a rectangle type shape on the ends. Step 6. Go ahead and start on the left side of the car and create a line up and then all the way across the car to the other end. Step 7. Now you're going to create the hood of the car by making a smaller shape on the top part of the car. Step 8. Go ahead and trace little windows inside the car and proceed to draw the doors. Step 9. Now is when you start adding the details. Add in a circle for the steering wheel. Don't forget about the handle to open the car, plus the headlight and tail light. Step 10. Now's your chance to color the vehicle any way you'd like. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!